Recently I've been mowing at the ranch with this mower, and a lot of mud got stuck under the deck, which is making it super heavy. You can see how much force I need to apply to lift it. And you're also going to see how toast the blades are. So I'm going to show you in this video how I pressure clean the bottom of the deck. And this mower actually has a deck wash port where supposedly you can connect the pressure washer, but that is not going to make it. So if you remove this thingy, this is just a pass-through hole. There is nothing there. Here it says deck was capable. First, choose a branch of your liking. Second, position equipment right under. So we're gonna get this thing strapped so we can get it lifted. I'm gonna use a half-ton chain block, and let's see how this works. The tree is holding. That's good. Let me see what we have here. Oh wow. There's quite a lot of mud that I'm gonna have to chisel out. A little bit of extra safety just in case. Look at this. It's like a solid, probably 1.5 inch thick. Look at this. As a matter of fact, I'm going to change the blades because check this out. These blades are toast. Look at this missing chunk right here. Same right there. They are gone. Wow, I didn't know they were so worn out. Probably 25 hours in this blade at the ranch. Pretty heavy duty work. Now check this out. This is a new blade versus the old blade. Pretty big difference. This is all the mud that was stuck at the bottom. And just like that, we are ready to rock and roll again.